So this is what you would do for your English class. Now pretend that you have, I don't know, references there. I'm going to click there, press Control Enter. All right, and now correctly, what you're supposed to do for MLA format is centered and bold, and you type Works Cited, okay, just like that. And the MLA format says don't use a style. See, there's a style that the computer is going to want to do. And paste your references down there. And then make it double spaced hanging indent. Okay, so let me show you this just quickly. Here's something to read. Otherwise, if you want to use the computer's method in Microsoft Word, you can go up to References. And there's this section here called Citations and Bibliography. And I explained it there, so you read it. But I need to change to MLA format. And then I'll manage my sources. I make like little 3x5 cards if you're old enough to know about such a thing. MLA format and manage sources, and then I'll make a new card, and I want to make a website. There's a website. So then I'll paste in, I have to type this one. The EasyBib, the computer makes it, but this one you have to type everything by yourself. And if you need it, actually, let me just show you. Down here it says show all bibliographic fields. It will get you more fields to fill in, just like you needed that, right? But sometimes you need those. Okay, and then it gives a tag name so that later on when you want to, let me just get out. Later on when you want to insert a citation, you can add a placeholder and it will put it in there. It has the names all listed there for you. So you just click and add it. It's very convenient. Takes some amount of practice. You'll do it kind of in your practice assignment. But I just wanted to show you that. And then the other thing is when it comes time to actually insert the bibliographic field, you see that bibliography means everything you looked up. Whereas Works Cited is only the ones you cited in your paper. And if you go down to that bottom choice called Insert Bibliography, then you can have it just add the sources. That's not, I haven't done this since we changed versions. That's funny. Well, it has to be there somewhere. I haven't done it since we changed versions. Okay, well anyway, that's the way you do it, and I just wanted to get you started with that. There are additional references here about how to make a paper, and this one was written by a student. It's really pretty neat if you want to watch that one.